sexy to accept requests. And I'm way too sexy.
Hey girly pops, welcome back to my channel. I changed the background a little bit. Oh, you know what? Let me turn on one more light. That's better. I put my vanity on. I am wanting to do some Coachella-inspired makeup because I'm not going to Coachella. I'm getting a cyst removed, and I honestly one day would like to go to Coachella, but not this year, baby. So we're gonna be doing Coachella inspired makeup. Hair is going to have to be done later. I'm gonna go ahead and just put my hair up, get little straggle hairs. Okay, now I already cleansed my face, but I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe it down with some toner and a cotton little round or pad, cotton pad. I'm gonna go ahead and use my favorite toner, which is the Thayer's. I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize, and as always, I'm using the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. I am going to go ahead and use my Pixie Primer, and honestly, I have not tried this yet, so I'm really excited. It literally has a color to it. Look at that. Okay, that's probably too much. I'm going to just apply this where I normally apply my primer. I feel like since it's Coachella, we definitely have to go maybe a little bit heavier on the makeup. I love this brush for blending really anything contour. It is the Makeup Forever brush. Honestly, I don't even know. It's so old. 158. That's what I'm pretty sure it says, but do not hold me on that. I opened my window right here, and I feel like the light is so much better. So I hope it doesn't look so in the video. I'm gonna go ahead and add some blush. Okay, I honestly feel like I still want the window closed. Like, I feel like that just looks like so much better. This blush, guys, is so old. I'm pretty sure this is past like expiration. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Milani. I promise by the end of this, it is going to look so freaking cute. I'm gonna go ahead and try the Milani Conceal and Perfect, and it goes with this. So yeah, let's try it out. I feel like I've been seeing everywhere that we are being inspired again by 2016, and it's the graduating class of 2016. I literally have to really showcase what I used to do every morning at like 4 to 5 a.m. Another little trick that I saw from the OG, you know, beauty influencers on YouTube, I would watch them wait a good like 5 minutes for their concealer to be not dry, but a little tacky. I mean, look at that. Come on, you cannot tell me this is not 2016 style concealer. I got my beauty blender, and I'm literally just going to press all of the cream products. I use this to darken my brows, honestly, and yeah, I don't really use a lot because I do use that, so I'm going to just deepen my brows. I'm gonna go ahead and start the eyeshadow. I don't know which one I'm gonna use. Might use both. Not sure yet. All right, guys, so my sister-in-law, I stole this shit from her. I'm not gonna lie. So if you're seeing this, you know about this, but that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and just pack some of that pigment on. I honestly am going to start diffusing the top just like that. I am going to just pack some more. You guys, the key is layering and blending. Layering and blending. Remember, this is going to be a little extra. This is festival makeup. This is not picking up your child in the drive-thru line unless you're into that. I do not want my children to get scared because they have literally never seen me with crazy makeup on. They have literally never seen me in my element. All right, I have a Q-tip, and I'm literally just going to clean up this area. I wet my brush. We're gonna go ahead and pick a shimmer, okay, because look at that. Look at that. Literally sickened by how pretty this looks. I'm gonna go ahead and just diffuse a little bit, kind of blend them together so it doesn't like look super harsh. This is how I used to clean up my eyeshadow in high school. Okay, looking crazy. I'm going to go ahead and just also put it under my eyes. I used to put it between my brows, bring it up, literally like that. And I honestly just used to pack on the powder. Okay, pack it on. Now we're gonna do some blush, but I am just going to get blush and a lot of it. Okay, now that that powder has been sitting there for a good like 10 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and dust it off. This is literally, this is literally to die for. Do you guys not see that? All right, I went ahead and got this. I'm going to go ahead and spray this shit because you have to have your highlight brush a little wet or damp, not wet, damp. Do you guys see that? That looks so blinding. I'm gonna bring the highlight up here because you want a little bit of shimmer kind of everywhere. I literally just used to pack highlighter on my nose just like that. Now we are going to add the glitter, and honestly I don't even know where to put the glitter, but I feel like we're just gonna pack it on, right? Why wouldn't we? Okay, so I curled my lashes and now we are just going to add some mascara. You can add some falsies if you'd like. I honestly never used to wear falsies because I wore glasses, so your girl never really learned how to put falsies on. I know, it's so bad. I do like to use cluster lashes, but I just did not put them on for the sake of the video. I'm using the Revlon Photo Ready Instant Blur Liner. I think I'm gonna use this Disney Villains like lip plumper. It's plumping lip gloss, yeah. And it's from Wet n Wild. It is so cool and like holographic. Probably doesn't really go, but that's okay. Oh, yes. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at how pretty that looks. I'm literally obsessed. I'm gonna just add a little bit of white liner. Put my hair in some cute little messy-ish space buns. I feel like that's exactly what I would do for my hair. So let's put on a shirt. Okay, besties, I'm still a little wet because I just sprayed some like body glitter, but look.
Yeah.